Almost 300 patay sa airplane crash na ito. And he is the only one na nakasurvive. How did this passenger survive? And he walked out of the airplane and ayan, naglalakad siya just after the accident. Si Ramesh ay nakaupo sa 11A. And this area is one of the strongest parts of the plane. At yung 11A is an emergency exit seat. Yung airplane, kaka-take off lang and after 30 seconds, ito ay nag-crash. Inakala ni Ramesh na siya rin ay pumanaw at nakita niya yung airplane na sira-sira at yung mga bangkay. Na-unbuckle niya ang kanyang seatbelt, tas gamit ang kanyang legs, he was able to push through the opening of the fuselage. And since nakaupo siya sa emergency exit seat, mas may space doon. Kaya it could have given him more room to escape unlike the other passengers. At hindi katulad ng mga ibang pasahero that were closer together, maari silang na-crush together on impact. Sabi ni Ramesh, he saw the plane was in flames. Tas yung kakaalis lang niya sa plane, he walked out of it, nag-explode yung plane. Kaya buti he was able to act quickly. And he only had minor injuries. Imagine mo yun siya lang ang nakasurvive. 241 na pasahero ang namatay. It's a miracle. Rest in peace sa mga namatay at get well soon sa mga na-injure.